Okay.
Okay, Afian, now you can start.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Afia Khan. Today, today I will tell about you climate of India. The climate of a plays a major role in the daily lives of people living there. It affects their food habits, clothing, and lifestyle. Climate is a is the weather conditions of a place over a long period of time. For example, the climate of desert is hot and dry. This is because our desert reverses
Receives.
receives little or no rainfall and a very long.
Yes, Aradhya, now you can
Good,
start.
good morning, everyone. My name is Aratya Tyagi. I'm the student of 4th B and my roll number is 7. I'm going to present climate of India. First, I'm going to tell you what is climate. Climate is weather conditions of a place over a long period of time. Now, what is the difference between weather and climate? Weather can change within a few minutes or hours. Climate takes very long time to change. In agriculture, there are five main seasons: summer, winter, monsoons, and spring, autumn are also Indian seasons. Monsoon. I would like to tell you about monsoon. Monsoon lasts from July to October. Winds blow from the Arabian Sea. The maximum max rainfall. Monsoon is also important for our agriculture. People wear boots, raincoats, and they also carry umbrella. Thank you.
Very good, Aradhya. Very nice. Yes, now you can start, Devangi. You can start your flip learning.
Hello everyone, my name is Devangi Sharma of class 4th B. My roll number is 12. Today I am going to tell you about monsoon. What is climate? Climate is the weather conditions of a place over a long period of time. For example, the climate of a desert is hot and dry. This is because a desert receives little or no rainfall for a very long period of time. Monsoon. The monsoon season lasts in India from July to October. The winds blows from the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal towards the land. They are known as monsoon winds. These winds carry moisture with them. They cause rainfall in most parts of India. The distribution of rainfall is very uneven in our country. Monsoon is in Meghalaya receives the maximum rainfall 1,100 centimeter not only in India but in the world. On the other hand, some areas in Rajasthan receive very little rainfall, less than 10 centimeters. Keywords: humidity, the amount of water vapor present in the air. Lu, hot and dry winds that blow in the northern plains during summer season. Moisture, water vapor present in air. Thanks for watching.
Very good, Devangi.
Good day, teachers. Hello, my dear friends. Today, I, Devanshi Bhaskar of class 4B, roll number 13, want to represent a topic summer. The summer season lasts from March to June. The month of March is not very hot, but as the day pass begins it to get warm. May and June are the hottest months of the year. During this season, the days are longer than the nights. Clothes. People wear light colored cotton clothes to keep themselves cool because in this season sweating is common and cotton clothes are good absorber. In this season, we eat ice creams and take juices, fruits. They enjoy fruits like watermelon, muskmelon, lychees, and mango to beat the heat. Vegetables. In this season, people eat different kind of vegetables like lady finger, inda, bitter gourd, and capsicum also. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Shrita Kawal. I study in 4th B. Today we will tell about chapter 7 Climate of India. Seasons of India. In India there are 5 seasons. They are summer, monsoon, winter, spring, autumn. Summer season. The summer seasons lasts from March to June. May and June are the hottest months of the year. During this season, the days are longer than the nights. During the summer season, hot winds called Lu blow over the northern plains of India. People wear light-colored cotton clothes to keep themselves cool. They eat fruits like watermelon, grapes, and lettuce to beat the heat. Monsoon. The monsoon season in India lasts from July to October. The wind blows from the Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal.
Yes, Harshika, now you can start. Please adjust the camera and then you can start.
Good morning, ma'am. I am Harshika Upadhyay, student of class 4B. Today, I am going to present flip learning of SST and my chapter 8, Climate of India. And my topic is monsoon. The monsoon season in India lasts from July to October. The winds blow from Arabian Sea and the Bay of Bengal towards the land. Monsoon winds carry moisture with them. They cause rainfall in many parts of India. The distribution of rainfall is very uneven in our country. Maharashtra in Meghalaya receives the maximum rainfall 1,100, not only India but in the world. On the other hand, some area in Rajasthan receives less than 10 centimeter rainfall.
Climate of India is summer season. Weather is a state of atmosphere for a short period of time. Example, in a particular day, if a morning is clear and bright, then its evening could be cloudy. Climate is the weather conditions of place over a long period of time. For example, the climate of desert is hot and dry. There are 5 types of seasons. These are summer, monsoon, winter, spring, and autumn. The summer season lasts from March to June. During this season, the days are longer than nights. During summer season, Hot winds are called Loo, blow over northern plains of India. People wear light-colored clothes to keep themselves cool. The enjoy the fruits enjoy like watermelon, grapes, and lychees to beat the heat. Thank you.